Do the front.
What are you with the little cash?
She actually gave it to you.
You're calling me short, you got the one that has the bowl cut. Dang, we're all getting busted. How much alcohol is that? I got little leg.
Oh my gosh.
Take a man, what's wrong with you? Plus, you're the one who's in here. It's laxatives for the last class. What? No, okay, I drink it. Then we play roulette. Now, talk about everybody.
No.
Look, I'm gonna rock you, calm down. There's an idiot Marshall followed me.
What's wrong, little
Yes.
If you tell Marshall anything, I'm taking Harry Potter, bowl cut, and one of these
Birthday
two.
girl. Birthday girl.
It's my birthday.
You gotta take her.
I don't care. Teenagers.
I'm actually 20 today, thank you.
Oh, she's in a whole nother bracket. I know.